All right, so this is how things were left off at the end of section 1 or session 1, and we've got quite a bit ahead of us, right? First thing we need to do is actually create a boundary class, and we'll do that based on where these objects are in the SKS file, and that file right there. And then we're going to look at creating a contact delegate so we can actually sense when we run into these guys and get some feedback. Then we are going to check out tiled, which is actually my preferred layout program over .sks, at least at this point in time. And then we'll parse through that tiled file, which is essentially just parsing through an XML file. So you kind of get more bang for your buck there. You get to actually see how to run through a tiled file, but that can apply to any XML data, so that's pretty neat. And then we're going to work on centering the world around the hero, okay, because obviously he can kind of go any place over here. What we're going to do is center everything on him so the maze moves relative, and then we are going to create a star class, which is kind of just like a pick-me-up. You can think of it like pellets, just cruising around and picking up those guys, and then that'll be a way to track if you have successfully made it through the entire maze or not. All right, so we got a lot ahead, and let's get started.